Once upon a time, there was a slave who had a very cruel and heartless master. The master made him work hard every day and treated him very badly. The poor slave was tired of being mistreated and living in pain. One day he could bear it no longer, so he decided to escape. He ran away into the forest, hoping to find peace and freedom. As he wandered through the forest, he suddenly heard a loud roar. He was frightened at first, thinking it might be a wild animal. But soon he saw a lion lying on the ground in pain. The lion had a big thorn stuck in its paw and could not walk properly. Even though he was scared, the slave felt pity for the lion. Carefully and bravely, he went close to the lion and gently pulled out the thorn. The lion looked at him with kind eyes and licked his hand in gratitude before slowly limping away into the forest. Some days later, the slave was caught by his master's men and brought back. As a punishment, the cruel master ordered that he be thrown into a den of hungry lions. A big crowd gathered to watch. Everyone thought the slave would be eaten alive. But when the lion came out, it did something unexpected. Instead of attacking, it calmly walked up to the slave and licked his hands. It was the same lion the slave had helped in the forest. Everyone was amazed. The cruel master was shocked and realized that kindness can have great rewards. From that day on, the slave was set free and lived a peaceful life. The story teaches us that kindness is never wasted. Even a wild animal remembers a good deed.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.